folks, it's nice being with you. New Track has made it possible that we bring this video to you. This video is going to show you the 15 accredited CBD centers in Abia State. This is Jamb accredited CBD centers and the addresses, and this will help you get to know the locations that are close to you to avoid time wasting and save you more cost. At the end of this video, I want you to hit the subscribe button so as to continue receiving our updates and tips that can help you score very high in this year Jamb UTME exam. We did it for some students last year and we can do it for you. So hit the subscribe button and don't forget to check the description section if your state of origin or state of residence is not Abia State. For the locations you live in, you can get the videos for such in the description section. As you watch this video, I want to thank you much in advance and look forward to seeing you in some of our forums. Thanks so much for watching and keep watching.